Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we will be discussing about best life insurance related to health in New Zealand. So if you are a resident of New Zealand or thinking to shift, then the best plan that I am going to be recommending is Now Health, because it comes with a plan that starts with 99 USD per month, and it offers inpatient and day patient care. And if you simply jump to 212 USD, it is going to be having outpatient care as well, with more plans as well. This is also really great if you are looking for different benefits and different kind of coverage. Like for example, their health and medical insurance plans starts from like as I told, $99 per month, and this is also going to be covering for any inpatient and day patient care you require while living in New Zealand. So this is something really valuable if you're looking for a life insurance inside uh, New Zealand. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.